so very lucky to be between two great Buddhas and to be in front of so many great Buddhas. And many Buddhas are also behind me. Eh? My dear friends, everybody say, yes, we are Buddhas. And yeah, yes, we are Buddhas. Not, yes, we are Buddhas, no. Everybody say, yes, we are Buddhas. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, we are Buddhas. அப்படி சொல்லுங்க. See, we have to be bold, and Buddhas are bold. If you are not bold, you are not a Buddha. Yes, we are Buddhas. With great anger, yes, we are Buddhas. Buddha and anger, they go together. Yes, we are Buddhas. Buddhahood is your khel, yeah, celebration, yeah. So, Jora ke Chapale celebration. That's why we are having 4 years, 4 days of celebrations on this occasion, you know. Especially, we have completed 25 years and tomorrow, next year, it will be 26 years. But 25 years is the landmark. Okay. And our next landmark, we are waiting for 50 years of PSSM. For our 2040 Golden Jubilee celebration, Jora ke Japale. Imagine yourself after 25 years, all the people here. You will not become old, you will become very young, yeah. Buddhahood means reversing the age. Okay? That's what is Buddhahood. So by 2040, all will be as they are now. No white hair for you, Swamiji. Ab bach gaye baal baal. Will be exactly in the same physical frame as it is in the year 2040. If you expect that you will become old, you will of course become old. But if you design, if you decide, if you say, reaffirm that you will never become old, you will be always youthful, then that's what you are going to become. Yad bhavam. Buddhahood means always being bold. Buddhahood means always being young, youthful. Okay? Buddhahood means committing yourself to the emancipation, betterment of the whole humanity, whole being kind. Okay. No animal requires Buddhahood, but every human being requires Buddhahood. But what an animal being requires is friendship, maitri. Animals are not to be cut and eaten. What a horrible thing. Okay. The great master Mahavir, we remember, he was the greatest symbol of ahimsa and vegetarianism. Even Buddha, he was tatastha in many occasions. He wanted to open his mouth. But Mahavir said, no, only vegetarianism. Ahimsa paramo dharmaha. Buddha was too much of a gentleman to force himself. Okay, but Mahavir was a absolutely cutthroat master. Absolutely no way. On this Buddha Purnima day, we remember the great master Mahavir. On this Buddha Purnima day, we remember all the masters of the cosmos. Okay. Buddha Purnima is not for Gautama Buddha, it is for all the Buddhas. That's what we are celebrating. It's not remembering Gautama Buddha. Gautama Buddha is one Buddha. And on this occasion, on the Buddha Purnima occasion, we remember all the Buddhas of the past, of the present, of the future. Everybody is either a past Buddha or a present Buddha or a future Buddha. So who is not a Buddha? Huh? You know. So, my dear friends, seeing everybody as a Buddha is Buddhahood. We see everybody as a Buddha. Future Buddha, present Buddha, past Buddha, all-time Buddha, no-time Buddha, no time, timelessness. Buddhahood means, to understand that change is permanent. Everything changes. The outer changes, the inner changes. We keep on changing inside. We are not constant inside. Our duty is for the truth. Our duty is not for ourselves or for others. Our duty is towards the truth. Truth is God. And we worship God. Means we worship truth. And truth alone triumphs. Satyameva jayate. Whatever is truth is truth. Whatever is untruth is untruth. What is not truth is untruth. What is not untruth is truth. Some of the truths. Everything is constantly changing, and change is the only permanent thing that you have to understand. So you are not worried about any change. If you are worried about any change, you are not yet Buddha. When you have understood the change, that it is permanent, then the smile comes. Then when the smile comes, a Buddha is born. A Buddha is born when a smile comes on the face. Whenever you smile, you are a Buddha. Whenever you cry, you are a non-Buddha. You know? A Buddha is a creator. A Buddha is not stand still. A Buddha is not a passive fellow. A Buddha is an active fellow. We are all Buddhas. Our life's purpose, my dear friends, is to see that every person on this earth will become a vegetarian, will become a Buddha. That's what we are working for. Whether we have money or not, whether we have a family or not, okay, whether we have nice clothes or not, food or not, sleep or not, we are all working for truth. We are all warriors of truth. When Buddha, Gautam Buddha, was there 2500 years back, he told everybody that I will come back again after 2500 years. That's what we are all. We are all Maitreya Buddhas, my dear friends. This great Pyramid Valley International, this Maitreya Buddha Dhyana Vidyalaya, the whole world will come here and partake of its vibrations. Every year we celebrate here on Buddha Purnima, we all gather here. But this year it's a very special occasion, 25 years of Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement. When I look back my 25 years or before that, every person whom I met, I knew that, hey, one Buddha is coming. I'll be sitting in some room, somebody says, sir, may I see you? I know, a Buddha come, yeah. See, a Buddha comes. Like law of attraction, as said, a Buddha attracts other Buddhas. Huh? A musician attracts other musicians. Birds of the same feather flock together. Okay? That's how we all gathered here. So everyone, whoever was coming to me, और एक बुद्धा आ गया, और एक बुद्धा आ गया. First, I used to count the number of Buddhas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, 40 हो गए. बोला ये तो काउंटिंग तो नहीं है, अब तो काउंटलेस हो गया. In the year 94, I stopped counting the number of Buddhas. Until then, I was counting Buddhas. कितने लोगों को enlightenment हुआ है? I was literally counting, whoever has become a Buddha. In the year 94, then I stopped counting. I know, it's useless affair. But I was really counting the number of Buddhas. And it was such a joy when 1 became 2, 2 became 3, 3 became 4, 4 became 10. Oh, so many Buddhas, how to celebrate? Give a jola ke chapale for all the Buddhas. A Buddha is not only a person who has become a Buddha is also a person who respects a Buddha. Understand? It doesn't have to become a Buddha. If he realizes that fellow has become a Buddha, you give pranam to him, you have become a Buddha. Remember this point. If you have realized the value of meditation, you have become a meditator. If you have seen the value of music, you have become a musician. Okay. When I was into music was coming to me. I was learning under great masters of music. But somehow music was not complete. Something else I was looking for. And I was going from guru to guru, book to book, place to place. But when Anapanasati came, Darini Tilsukunti. So when meditation came, then the life becomes complete. Until the time, we are waiting for some completion. We know that something is lacking and something is, we have to have, we don't know where it gets, where we will have, ye puttalo, ye pamundo, puttalani vitkutuntam. Everybody is a Buddha. See, there is no place for all of them to speak here. But that is not a concern for any Buddha. A Buddha is active, working, behind the scenes. So, all the masters, Buddhas, behind the scenes, please give a big clap. Okay? And all the masters of PSSM, 25 years of PSSM is really a great celebration. We want a World Pyramid Day. We will all get it declared by the United Nations has to pass the bill. Okay, we'll work for it. United Nations will come out and agree to us for naming a day in a year as World Pyramid Day. So that is the sankalp I want you to have when you go back. Okay. When again it is recognized and approved by the United Nations, again we'll have a big celebration here. We have to set our goals and work towards that. Unless you set up a goal, we cannot work towards that. Okay. We have set up many goals in the past. In the year 2004, we have said by 2004, Dhyana Andhra Pradesh will be there. By 2008, Dhyana Bharat will be there. By 2012, these are all goals to be set so that for working efficiency, unless we set a goal, work will not progress faster. Then we have said by 2016, Pyramid Jagat, and by year 2020, Shakahar Jagat. Okay. And when the whole Jagat becomes Buddha Jagat, then we don't have any work here. Then we'll shift ourselves to another place where again the work begins. Work never ends. The consciousness न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन्नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्य शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. The consciousness is forever and the celebration is forever, work is also forever, responsibility is also forever. That is the Ramachandra. इनसे सब मुक्ति हो जाएगी तो वो समाधि में चले जाएंगे, वो बूंद समंदर में समा जाएगा, फिर हम आराम से जिएंगे. ऐसा होता ही नहीं बुद्धाहुड में. काम 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 काम, हमेशा काम 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 ही रहता है. क्या करें बाबा? If you don't work, you will not have sleep in the night. Remember this point. If you don't have work, you will not be healthy in the body. Remember this point. Understand that you cannot understand many things, then you are a Buddha. Understand? You must understand that you cannot understand many things. If you can understand that, you are a Buddha. Am I right? How can you understand other language? Yeah. It's not possible, yeah. Yes, yeah. वो कन्नड़ में क्या क्या भाषण देते मुझे कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आता, मैं क्या करूं? परंतु हम शांति नहीं खो बैठेंगे. और लोग खुशी हैं, हम भी खुश हैं. समझे? इसलिए खुश हैं कि और लोग खुश हैं. इतना कहते हुए कबीरा सच बोले, कबीरा शुभ बोले. On this occasion of Buddha Purnima, I want to remember Kabir. Such a great Buddha. Kabira, Kabira, सच बोले, कबीरा शुभ बोले. कबीरा 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 सच बोले, कबीरा शुभ बोले. कबीर 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 कबीर. दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे न कोई. सुख में सुमिरन करे, दुख काहे को होय. कबीर दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे न कोय। सुख में सुमिरन करे, दुख काहे को होए। सुमिरन किस बात की, किस चीज की सुमिरन? कि हम बुद्धा हैं, हम आत्मा हैं। We are not the body. Hey. And this is not the only lifetime, only mother, only father, only wife, only other. Several wives, several husbands, several children, several parents in several lifetime. क्या क्या हो रहा है भाई? ये एक और एक झलक है बस उतना ही। इसी का सुमिरन करना चाहिए। कबीरा कबीर कबीर कबीर, काल करे सो आज, आज करे सो अब, पल में प्रलय होगा, बहुरी करोगे कब कब कबीरा। Don't postpone things. That is the essence of this Kabir's teaching. Don't postpone anything. जो कल करने का है आज ही करने के लिए कोशिश करो। जो आज दिन भर करने का है तो अब ही करने के लिए प्रयास करो। On this occasion of Buddha Purnima, we all give a great homage to great celebration to the great master Kabira. A Buddha is always active, is in a hurry to do something. भैया, अरे कितना कुछ करने का है और हम यूं ही बैठे हैं? ये तो होगा ऐसा होएगा भी नहीं, हम होने भी नहीं देंगे किसी से। ना हम सोएंगे ना हम किसी को सोने देंगे। बाबा सॉरी यार। माता मुझे एक फल, पिता मुझे फल चार, भाई मुझे हानि है कहत कबीर विचार। माता मुझे, माता मीन्स ममकार। माता मुझे एक फल, पिता मुझे, पिता यानी अहंकार, पिता मुझे फल चार, भाई मुझे हानि है कहत कबीर विचार। निर्ममो निरहंकार। माता को मारना यानी ममकार को मारना, पिता को मारना यानी अहंकार को मारना, भाई को नहीं मारना। हम सब भाई हैं। इटर्नल ब्रदरहुड इज देयर। दैट इज व्हाट इज दिस इज द वंडरफुल। So remember this point. Buddha Purnima is not for Gautama Buddha. It is for every Buddha. We remember a Mahavir, we remember a Kabir, we remember every Buddha.